I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the Sidi Performer Gore-Tex Sport Boots. Okay, as of the filming of this video, the Performer Gore-Tex boots are retailing for $295. Please understand the price can go up, the price can go down. We will not reshoot the video for price changes as long as the features and benefits of the product stay the same. Performer Gore-Tex. Let's get close on this really quick, Steve, because I got to tell you, when you take these out of the box and you get them in your hands and you look at them closely, they just scream absolute high end. Even video Steve would take is like, wow, they look amazing, right? They're using a new microfiber upper. When you look at these boots, the Sidi boots and many boots out there, you look at this stuff and you think, oh, it's leather. It's a leather-like product. It's actually a synthetic product. It's better than leather. It's stronger. It wears longer. It's more abrasion resistant. It's just simply better. And you look at this. This has some different moisture-resistant properties to go in line with that Gore-Tex membrane that they have in there. Let's touch on Gore-Tex really quick. If you're watching this and you're shopping for a pair of almost $300 waterproof boots, you already know Gore-Tex is the best of the best. It has the best breathability. With waterproofing, it's easy to keep your feet dry. You can do that with a trash bag. Unfortunately, a trash bag does not breathe. Your feet get clammy, they feel nasty. It is just no fun. Where Gore-Tex has that highest rate of exchange, okay? So it breathes and keeps your feet comfortable and as cool as they can be inside of a waterproof boot. Sizing. Sidi boots run, I would say, in terms of width, average to narrow, okay? If you have feet that you would say width is about average, you can order the size that corresponds with the size chart. You should get a good, comfortable fit. If you've had a pair of Sidi boots in the past, you can basically order whatever size you had in those and expect the fit to be almost identical to those. Sidi's quality is really second to none. They build some of the best products out there in the moto industry. These are built in Italy in their own factories by their own staff. Instead of buying factory time for a company that builds apparel for everybody, they're building their own stuff. And it really shows when you put their stuff next to other boots that are good boots. And I will say that there's a lot of other really good products out there too. But just the fine details of this just really stand out. And I think that's the benefit of having your own full-time staff building your products. Who is this right for? This is right for any sport rider, sport touring rider that is looking for a high-end, waterproof, breathable, full-on sport boot. Replaceable nylon toe slider, integrated armor here in the impact areas, shock-absorbing heel cup. The vent back there is really not a super functional piece. It will help with exchange of moisture and heat energy through the Gore-Tex liner, but that's not a direct-to-skin thing. Got a motion bellow back here. Entry and exit is managed with Velcro up here at the top. That's going to get you a little calf adjustment. YKK zip. With any waterproof boot, you're going to have the waterproof gaiter. You have to have that. You have to maintain that constant seal. There is a expansion panel that's built in right here at the ankle. That's a thick part of the ankle. And when you pull the zip up, instead of putting all that pressure on the zipper, the expansion panel is able to absorb that, like so, as you pass over the ankle. And then once you get over it, it just relaxes and closes up again. Protects the zipper, helps extend the life of the zipper. Protection up here in the shin area. That's hard outer. Some foam behind it to help manage the energy. Gear shift pad, they do that on both boots just to keep it symmetrical. Give you a look at the sole of the boot. There you have it. This is the all-new Sidi Performer Gore-Tex